G'day everyone, Wesley here from Trusted Pest Management, coming to you today from Browns Plains. Got an interesting one for you. We have termites coming through the expansion joint into the brickwork, and they're actually coming up and in to the house. So they're actually coming through the cavity. Don't see that very often where they're actually coming through the expansion joint there, but that's why you have a termite inspection. Now this place actually had a spot treatment done. It wasn't by us, it was by some other pest firm, but the one thing they didn't do was a termite barrier to the place. So that's where it's fallen over. So they've killed the termites at the time, but they haven't done any protection, long-term protection, and that's why they've come back. Use the best trusted pest.